Welcome to our guide for integrating Xobin with Tellent Recruitee. This video will walk you through the process of setting up and testing Xobin assessments inside Tellent Recruitee. Let's get started. First, generating the API key with Xobin. Navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, move to the Integrations tab at the top. Here you will find the list of available integrations. From the list, locate Tellent Recruitee and click on Recruitee. Now click on Connect Recruitee option. Once you click Connect, the API will be successfully generated. Copy the API key because we will use this to complete the integration from the Recruitee platform. Second, connecting Tellent Recruitee to Xobin. Now log in to your Tellent Recruitee account. After logging in, open the marketplace and search for Xobin. Once you find the Xobin integration, click on Integrate. Here you will be asked to enter the API key. Paste the API key that we copied from the Xobin platform. After pasting the key, click on Finalize. Once this step is completed, the integration between Xobin and Recruitee is successfully activated. Lastly, let's see how to send an assessment to a candidate and access reports. Go to the Candidates section in Recruitee and open the candidate profile that you want to evaluate. In the candidate profile, click on the More Options menu. From the drop-down list, select Xobin Test. Choose the assessment you want to send, and the test will be sent to the candidate. Once the candidate completes the assessment, you can view the results directly from the same candidate profile. Simply open the candidate profile again, scroll down to the Xobin section, and click to open the detailed report. Here you will be able to view the complete candidate assessment report, including performance insights and whether the candidate is qualified for the role. With this, you've successfully set up, tested, and viewed results for Xobin assessments within Tellent Recruitee.